1 in 6 people worldwide have a significant disability, many of which are invisible. Over 80% live in low-income countries, often relying on family caregivers. People with disabilities face unique challenges, especially when accessing water, sanitation and hygiene or WASH. They are often excluded from efforts to improve WASH access, leading to higher risks of health issues like diarrhea. In Bangladesh, where much of the population lives in areas vulnerable to floods and cyclones, these climate hazards further exacerbate WASH challenges for people with disabilities. Yet, there's limited rigorous evidence on how climate hazards affect the WASH experiences of people with disabilities and their caregivers. To fill this gap, the London School of Hygiene and Tropical Medicine, in partnership with 𝐔𝐧𝐜𝐫 and World Vision, researched how climate hazards impact WASH for people with disabilities. We surveyed nearly 2,000 people across 32 districts in Bangladesh and conducted in-depth interviews with people with disabilities and their caregivers in cyclone-prone Satkhira and flood-prone Gaibantha. The findings were revealing. Many families weren't prepared for disasters, and when toilets were damaged, people with disabilities had to find alternatives like defecating outdoors. For women and girls with disabilities, this increased their risk of violence. Physical challenges were huge concerns. During cyclones and heavy rains, slipping and falling became an even greater danger for people with disabilities. Hygiene was also a major issue, as people had to wash themselves and their menstrual materials in polluted flood water. Despite the challenges, no one reported long-term solutions for making WASH services climate resilient and inclusive. Our findings reveal that climate hazards are making it even harder for people with disabilities to access WASH. Without action, climate change will deepen existing inequalities. Urgent action is needed. After gathering data, we held workshops with people with disabilities, caregivers, and experts to co-develop solutions for climate-resilient, disability-inclusive WASH. Together, we developed 6 key principles for climate-resilient, disability-inclusive WASH, along with practical activities for service providers to implement. Including people with disabilities in climate-resilient WASH efforts is crucial to ensure equitable and sustainable access to essential services as climate hazards intensify.